What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone here from a backup which is located here in your MacBook device. And please note that the process is similar whether you do have a Windows device or a Mac. So I'm going to show you also how you can actually do it on a Windows laptop. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech tutorials and hacks. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now here we are giving a look at my MacBook, and the very first thing you need to do is of course connect your iPhone device through a USB cable to your MacBook. This can be a USB cable, can be a USB Type-C cable, or a lightning cable depending on your iPhone model and the compatible cable. Now once you're done doing that, in case you are running a MacBook, all you need to do is open up Finder in here. Here we go. Once we are here in Finder, we're going to tap on your iPhone device, which should be located below locations or under locations category at the left section. So here we go, we're tapping on Fixed by Shaq in here, which is the name of my iPhone device. And next up, all we need to do is simply scroll down a bit in here and simply tap on Restore Backup. Now essentially this will only be available if you have a backup already done previously, right? In my case, I have no backup done. This is a different backup, it's related to iCloud, but in my case in here, I do not have a backup. So if I had, the Restore Backup option would be available, and as soon as I tap on it, it's going to ask me to select between a list of different backups showing their date. For example, let me tap on Manage Backups. You would be able to see here a list of backups. For example, backup done on 2nd February 2024 or 3rd March 2024 and stuff like that. And then simply tap on Restore Backup, and your phone will immediately restore and erase all content, and then simply restore the content back from that specific backup. This is how easy you can actually restore your iPhone from a backup done previously here on a MacBook. For example, if it's a brand new iPhone you just bought and you had a backup from your previous iPhone, you can restore it using this feature right here. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.